Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix enable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify trust of the developer. So guys, if you are trying to install the app and you are facing a problem, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings and you have to make sure that you have an active internet connection and there is not connected area of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that simply tap on general and then tap on software update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it first, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then scroll to below and then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on. After that guys, wait for some minutes, and after that guys, install the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to make sure that background refresh is enabled. So guys, after that you have to just simply go back again, scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down, tap on content and price restriction and turn this toggle off. After turning it off, you have to just simply install the app, and after that guys, hopefully your app will be installed. So guys, after this, if it is not installed, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. For that, press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, do this, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.